Welcome to the Bee Peaked Beekeeping channel, where we love doing everything beekeeping. We are on the 7th of July. We are inspecting the split box today. Weather is lovely and junk as per UK usual. Remember, on the split box there was a colony on this side which did actually disappear, but there are bees going in there, so they're probably just robbing out. And there was a colony on this side which was mated queen, lovely, but there are very little bees going in and out, so I'm assuming they might have left. There's the odd one or two going in. So let's open her up, let's have a good look. Right, let's start with the left side. No, there's just a few lonely bees in there. They're probably just robbing out, aren't they? Yeah, I mean, there's a bit of stores in there. You might even be putting the stores in there, which would be random as. Maybe it was home at one point and the wasps are going to get it otherwise, so that's fine. So we've got the right hand side not doing anything. Missed it. Gah, number 3. Haha, nearly. Okay, let's check out the other side. The board is stuck down. Sorry, girlies. Trying to fill in all the little gaps. Look at that. Okay, so this side much better. This is the left hand side. Nothing on the end frame. Oh, next one. Let's get some weight to it. If we find Queenie, shall we mark it? Look at that, packing stores in. So that's capped nectar, uncapped nectar. So empty at the bottom. The other side has got empty at the moment. No care for that. Next frame. Lovely. What is that? What? Where did that come from? So we have a queen cell, as you can imagine. Why? They're not exactly running out of space. They are doing super well. I mean, they're stacking stores and pollen and everything else in here. Very calm bees. With the brood. Look, see, there's a swarm cell that's emerged there. Unless that was actually their emerged swarm cell that she came out of in the first place, but this colony is building nicely. I did see her last week, but didn't want to mark her with the fear that might cause some issues, but she's a lovely big queen. Pretty good. And this side's okay, they're packing the pollen in over the top here. There's one lonely queen cell. Please don't tell me you've killed her. Oh look, in fact there's another one there. Swarm cell on the edge. And they are capped as well. So the problem with capped swarm cells is that they probably have swarmed. This would be a little tiny swarm. You can't see her. There's one there as well. 3 swarm cells. Maybe they've just outgrown the split box way too quickly. Nothing on there. Just check again. Definitely can't see her. Definitely is a swarm cell, it's on the edge. Okay, no other one there. They're not supersedure because they would be in the middle otherwise. But there are no bees. There's no queen, which makes me think they have swarmed, but I don't think they're big enough. They're big enough to swarm. Yeah, I mean that one's been chewed out, which looks like probably the one. I mean, she was swarm cells. She was swarm cells from colony 3 that swarmed. Colony 3 was a well overwintered nuke. It's just must have missed some cells and it swarmed. Huh. Problematic. Okay, so let me go through the other colonies, see what we find. We might have to just split those swarm cells up if that's the case, because we're kind of not looking to have swarm cells at this time of year. Right. Okay, we'll be back. Right, so we have a colony that has not got any queen or cells in it, so what I'm going to do is actually take a frame that's got a queen cell on it, wherever it's gone. There's something's emerged there and they're cleaning it up. Where is it? Supersedure. Supersedures are on the same frame. There's one there. There's one there. Pretty sure there was another one in the middle of the frame as well. So this one's got one there, and also one there. Potentially our one that we're gonna take with us. I don't think there was anything on this one. I think there was already. Supersedure in the middle of this. Okay, it's quite high up. I really want to shake it, so I might damage the queen cell. I probably might just damage. Oh, it's there, right at the bottom. Okay, so this is probably better for bees than the other boxes. So, right, I'm going to take the other frame across. This one gets to stay over here. Okay, so that wraps up this colony now. So, split box left. That's the end of that. I'm going to take this frame across to the other box and put it in the other box, and hopefully they can just bring the queen on. Fingers crossed it's in poly number 2. Thank you for watching. Please do comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.